Today we're going to learn how to use the today and now functions. If you find yourself with a report similar to mine, where you have to go ahead and fill in the report date and report time every time you fill out the report, the today and now functions are going to make your life a lot easier. Let's go ahead and start here on cell B6. I'll say equal today and tab it in. The today function returns today's date that I'm working on this sheet, and it requires no arguments, so it's super simple. Close it out and push enter. I get whatever date I'm working on my spreadsheet. Next is report time, which I'm going to use the now function for. The now function returns today's date and time. Again, requires no arguments. Push enter, and here I see today's date and time I'm working on the sheet. Now I'm going to go ahead and format this to only show the time for my report time. So I'll right click and choose Format Cells, and here I can go ahead and choose the format for my time to appear in. I'll go ahead and do this basic one right here and click OK. And now it's going to go ahead and show the report time on my spreadsheet, and what's even better is every time I save this and open it up down the road, it's going to update the report day and time to be whatever the date and time I'm working on this spreadsheet, which saves me time in the future. And this is the today and now functions.